Dispatch, engine 1 is clear of Ottawa.
Engine 1 clear, 1230.
Along record 4.
Copy, code for 1231.
Fire Marshal 851, we got an emergency, got an officer down.
10-4. Hennepin, go ahead. You got Central on Highway 12, correct?
That's correct.
7200, you copy. You got an officer hit, Highway 12 Central.
7203 en route. State Fire Marshal 851, just to advise it's going to be a trauma.
Copy. 1231, 6539, you're en route.
6520, I'll be en route.
6520, 1122.
1707 en route.
Okay, you can copy the top last car from Hopkins?
Hennepin 1707 en route.
1507, 1232.
6520 eastbound or westbound?
That Wayzata call, preempt me. I'll be en route. 10-4, you talking about the one on 12 here? 10-4. 1232.
7302 also from the sample plant.
Deputy, report of a building fire, 5612 Edgewater Boulevard. Got a report that the couch in the basement possibly on fire, 227 Delta at 1233.
Chief 2 is in service. We'll be responding.
Received. Chief 4, I'll show you clear. Chief 2 responding.
Marshal 851, just to advise, I'll be on this channel for the officer down.
Copy, Fire Marshal. You're on the 12 lane, 1233.
7201, I'm en route as well.
And 7201, and we are emergency traffic on the South Main, taking the South Main, the credit car, South Main emergency traffic, 1233.
Check for air care availability.
Be calling for air care, 1234. Letter to received at 1234. By 1234. On Highway 12. His squad is on 12 headed eastbound. Copy that, thank you. Building fire, a couch possibly burning inside of 5612 Edgewater Boulevard. Yeah, 1234. And this is, will be on TAC 3.
Repeat Wayzata Fire Rescue, eastbound Highway 12, area central. On a PI accident, sounds like one critical, 1235. Eastbound 12, west of the footbridge, 1235.
5772, is there somewhere you want us to get traffic stopped?
Crash, engine 2's arriving.
Engine 2, 1236. 1236. 3206, 1236.
Five 711. We have 2 units that are going to be fairly close here. Do you want us to start dumping traffic eastbound somewhere?
I haven't located it yet, so I'm thinking it might be west of Central Avenue on Highway 12. It appears that there's a lot of squads out there. It's going to be east or Broadway. Copy, thank you. 37.
The west side and shut down at County Road 15 there.
Copy. We'll approach from the west and close down the freeway at 15.
And air care will be coming up on S-Tech 1 for whoever's going to be taking care of the LZ, and I'm not sure where they're going to put that yet.
(721) launch air care if you have not already.
Here, yes.
10-4, thank you.
Lab is also en route.
1122 to 1706, shut down westbound traffic right here. Correction, eastbound traffic. Clear's right here. 57's coming into the area. I can help.
824 and 25, got it.
6824 cars, go for it.
We need all of east and westbound 12 shut down. West of the footbridge at 101. And if you need someone to coordinate air care landing zone, I can do that. My suggestion is to land right on Highway 12, right by the accident scene.
Copy. 1239.
6539, I'll block eastbound, Federal 15 at Highway 12.
The landing zone.
Copy, I'll do S-Pac 1 for the air care.
1239.
We'll be doing that LZ, so you'll be needed at the scene.
Copy, we'll go to the scene.
1240.
Engine 17 arrive, assuming RIT at 1240.
Five 115 when available. Theft that just occurred. Bill Seltzer, 6290 Oakland Avenue.
5113, preemptive route.
5113, black male, ran out of the store with that person 40, 50 years old. Got into a gold pattern. License plate 498, Union Zebra David. Registers out of Minneapolis. Blasting northbound Boone.
5113, copy.
113, 1241.
Copy. 5143 traffic.
5143.
Brooklyn Boulevard in region 080, Mary Yellow Henry.
5143, 1241.
And shut 12 off.
Copy 1241. Available. Ready to locate for Anoka 8516, 124th.
5222, you clear me an assignment.
5115 when available, 5121 when available for an unwanted 8500 63rd Avenue North, number 209.
Do you want me?
If we can shut down access to westbound 12 from Central Avenue, that would be good. And or have someone divert traffic onto Central Avenue from the westbound side.
.3, copy.
5212, I just cleared. Send it to me.
Okay.
I'll be out at 595 Prairie Center Drive for inspection.
Minnetonka 6219.
Tonka 6219.
We have multiple squads on scene. If anybody's responding westbound on 12, can they pull off and shut traffic down and send everybody on Central to keep them off the freeway? We still have tons of cars coming this way.
Copy, we've got 3x23 en route to that location.
Copy.
7302 to command, be advised we'll have westbound 12 shop at 6 shortly.
5713, start Maple Plain Fire to help 7302 at 12 and 6.
And 6539 is there at Long Lake Fire to County Road 15 and the entrance ramp into Wayzata eastbound. This is traffic.
Copy, 1240.
5730 en route. Maple Plains Fire assist with traffic. Wayzata's got a crash. You can close due to some traffic control, Highway 12, County 6. Repeating, Maple Plains Fire traffic assist, Highway 12, County 6. Close the road down for an accident, Wayzata, 1245.
And when you're clear, holding a safety check.
$44, 1246. Now,
We have traffic stopped eastbound on 12 at County Road 6.
Zeta's working on an accident, Highway 12 Central. You can take some traffic control at County 15. Repeating, Long Lake Fire assist Wayzata squad's firework at a crash, 12 and Central. If you could take care of County Road 15 eastbound ramp to Wayzata, divert traffic there, 1246.